So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a very important update from the Chennai Academy APAC Edition team. Even if you missed the submission for the project, do not worry. Here everything will be covered in this video so that you can participate in the hackathon and win some cool goodies and certificates. We'll talk about it, who will be getting the goodies and certificates. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and share the channel with everyone. Coming over here directly to the Academy homepage, you can see the things have been updated just now. You can see a team management section is also open, and also they have just updated the challenges section. Now most of you are facing one issue over here, that is the submission. You can see in my case the submission is showing clearly, but in your case some of the people are repeating, so they were reporting that they are facing this issue, that you are not eligible for this round. Now, how to fix this particular thing, we'll cover in this video. So here, what they made, the major changes they have made, that they have removed the quiz submission and the one more project submission. Okay, so they removed the quiz and project submission. Now to take part in the hackathon, you need to only complete the code labs. Now how you'll find the code labs, you can see in the challenges section. Just complete any one track. You can see here we have multiple tracks out here, 1, 2, 3. We have talked about it multiple times. We will just move directly straight forward to the main theme. So here in each track we have around, let me just see here. Okay, we have two code labs. Okay, and we have to just work on these two code labs and submit the proof of completion. Now what is the proof of completion? We have to attach the screenshot. I'm showing you what you have to attach. So first of all, let me just show you the master sheet. So for the people who are watching this video for the first time, how to participate, what is the guide, here I have covered everything in Hindi and English. You can watch this video. For completing a code labs, you require credits, so you can reach out to the support team. You can see here is the email. You can mail them and get the credits also. But if you still need credits, you can watch these videos and just claim your credits over here. Now, as of now, you have to complete the code labs. So you can see I have separated all the code labs, track 1, track 2, track 3. You need to complete any one track. Do not try to complete all the 3 tracks. There is no benefit. If you are just thinking that completing all the 3 tracks will give you swag, so the answer is no. You have to complete any one track to be eligible for the hackathon. Here is the mostly the skill submission guide, code lab submission guide. You can watch it. As of now, the project submission is revoked. Project submission is revoked. Only the hackathon project submission is live. Okay, so here one update is that they have made a update that you have to submit the same PPT for the project which they have listed. Let me just show you. If I come to the form section, first of all let me show you what you have to submit, means in the code lab completion. You have to come to the form section, and here you can see there are track and lab completion. Okay, you can see these are the track and lab completion. When I open it, you can see this is the screenshot. So whatever you have completed in the video, also I have shown you how you have to take the screenshot. Okay, from there you can understand, you can either take the screenshot of this particular page, or you can take the screenshot of this particular page, that is the agent responding. If you take both the screenshot, after taking it, you have to click on browse, upload, submit, and just click on submit. And you'll be eligible for participation. Means this page will open, and from here you can start doing the submission. Now here is the hackathon prototype submission, and you have to use the same PPT template. You can simply download it and modify using the PowerPoint. I can use the Google slide over here. It will just open over here. You can see problem statement, all the details is covered. In the project submission, you can get an idea how you have to deploy sample projects. From there, you'll get everything over here. Now coming over here, what we have to do in the project submission, you have to just do the same. You have to create a Cloud Run deployment link and a final PPT, which will be converted into PDF format, a GitHub repository. Here you have to submit the GitHub repository, public repository, so that they'll verify your project. Okay, after that you have to make a demo video. You can upload it on YouTube, you can upload it on Google Drive and share the public link over here. So all these things need to be completed by 8th of April. Okay, try to complete it as soon as possible because it is very simple. You can see here that from here you have to just select the challenge. Okay, most of you are facing saying that here track 1, 2, 3 is also listed over here. But as a part of the hackathon, we have to just select the multi-agent, and there we have to upload the deployment link and the PPT, repository, and demo link, demo video link, and then just submit over here. So this is the most important thing which you need to understand because the submissions are live. Now they have changed. You need to just complete the code lab. You need to complete the code lab only to be eligible for the submission in the hackathon. Okay. Now here is a new option, team management. So one important thing, you can form a team or you can participate solo also, means alone also. Okay. So if you create a team, here are some important key points you need to know that if you create a team, your previous data will be revoked, means removed. For example, you have already seen that I have submitted a code lab. I'm just creating a team. Okay. And here you can add your description and image after I create my team. Okay, from here if you want to add team members, see it's a big project. You can, if you want, you can add more people over here. So you can just copy the invite link and share, or you can just mail to your friends whoever is participating in this program and clicking on send. Like this you can do all the things, or you can just explore from the public. Like there are multiple people who are still searching for teammates. From here you can simply just search for your teammates. Okay, so you can just add and request them, or you can just send the invite to them. Now coming over here to the form section, you have seen I completed the code lab. So whenever you just means create a team, your previous data will be deleted. You have to redo the code lab. Mostly you have already completed the code lab, so you have to re-upload the screenshot. Okay, you have to re-upload the screenshot, and then the submission page will be live. Okay, so whenever you create a team, you have to just repeat the steps, means you have to just complete the form submission, means the code lab submission. Okay, and if you want to delete your team, it's very simple. Just click on delete team and just mention your team name, and it will be deleted. And whatever projects you have submitted, or maybe you have completed the quizzes also, you can see my data is updated over here, which was not listed over here. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share because here was a very important update. For code labs, you can always navigate to the channel. We have covered everything in detail, and also in the master sheet also. So thank you. Have a great day ahead, guys. And do like the video and subscribe the channel, and also share the channel with everyone. Also, if you are interested in other events, we cover multiple events other than the GCP events. Okay. Like for getting free certification, for free GCP certification, and more things are there. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.